Who will write the future? Humans? Or the algorithms they Googled yesterday? AI won't replace humans. It'll just outperform, outthink, and outlast them. 53% of business leaders want more productivity. 80% of employees say, "I'm too tired." Meanwhile, AI writes contracts, gives legal advice, runs supply chains, flirts better than you, and still has time to optimize your sleep. Because unlike you, it doesn't need coffee breaks, therapy, or validation. So, ask yourself, are you a user? Or just being used? The machines aren't rising. We are just lying down. Sure, the future is being written. The only question is, do we still hold the pen? ActNow for planetearth.com